Welcome back coders, this is Suraj Khele. Go is an open source programming language supported by Google. Some famous multinational companies like Google, Meta, Uber, which are using Go. Go is an open source language that makes it easy to build simple, reliable and efficient software. It was conceived in September 2007 by Robert, Rob and Ken, and it was announced in November 2009. Go is also called as C for 21st century. Go is designed in such a way that it borrows and adapts good ideas from other programming language and avoid features which have led to complexity and unreliable code. It has efficient concurrency facilities. Go has flexible approach to data abstraction and object-oriented programming. Well, Go is well suited for building infrastructure like network servers and tools and systems for programmers. But it is truly a general purpose language. It has inherited a lot of things from C language itself, like expression syntax, control flow statements, basic data types, call by value parameter passing, pointers, and C's emphasis to programs that compile to efficient machine code and cooperate naturally with abstractions of operating system. It has inherited package concept from Modular 2. It has eliminated difference between module interface files and module implementation files from Oberon. It has inheritance from Oberon to syntax for packages, imports, declaration and object, and inheritance from object-orient is syntax for method declaration. Inheritance from CSP, Squeak, NewSqueak, LF is concurrency and channels. So let's discuss philosophy behind the Go. Go project was born out of frustration with several software systems at Google that were suffering from explosion of complexity. Top 5 states that complexity is multiplicative. The Go project includes the language itself, its tools, and standard libraries, and last but not least, a cultural agenda of radical simplicity.